Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this, and for him and everybody else, send me the photograph or the PNG or whatever it is as a file format of whatever file. He just had it kind of like pasted in the email. I had to actually take a picture of it. Pretty easy. I counted 14 points. Take your star, make it to 14. Don't even hold down the control button and just kind of elongate it. The key here is to make the object to a curve. That's the big part, because then you can manipulate these nodes and make these nodes, this one a little fatter, make this one a little longer, make this one short. He didn't want to, he's not really copying this, he's just trying to get an idea how to do it. And I'm not going to take a lot of time. That one's a little bit fatter. This one's a little longer, and then these two are kind of like joined together in a way, but I'd still make it sharp. Well, that didn't look very good. That still didn't look very good. It's because I've made that. So we're going to go with that right there. Now, this is two colors, so we could go to effects in contour. We're going to contour to the outside just 1/4 of an inch with square corners. And you get these, there's a way to fix that, but a lot of times it's easier to make your item bigger and go to the inside, because the inside is going to do a precise fit. And then also you'd want to, make that a little bit thicker there, because since we are going in the inside, that's going to cause you a little bit of problem. So we'll just kind of divide that, maybe move that one out, maybe move this one over here and this one down. So that looks pretty good. So let's go and contour now, and it looks pretty good. Now, all I know that they did was, make the outside purple. It's hard to tell by the picture. Smart Fill tool, and go to your purple and make that outside purple. And I can't really tell what they did on this. I'm going to make it a gold right now. Smart Fill tool, and maybe let's just make it this yellow. And then it looks like it's got a little bit of a feel or an interactive feel on it. And what you can do is just kind of put it like right in the middle, and maybe move it down, move this down, and you could actually make a lighter yellow up top. I'm going to go and, like, this is a really light yellow, and put it in that square. So, that's almost the same color. We need a brighter yellow there. So what we could do, we could take that color and hold down the control button and add a little more lightness to it. I don't know if that'll work in that case. But there's a couple of ways to do it. I actually probably just need to make that back a white, or make a new color. Let's just make that white, see what happened. There we go. And you could play around with that, change the intensity and whatever. The circle on the bottom, I can't really tell what's going on with the picture. But the circle on the bottom is just an ellipse. Control D and duplicate it. Hold down the Shift key so it'll grow from the center. And take the Smart Fill tool and grab a light pink, put it in the outside, and I'm not trying to match his colors, and then let's put a purple in the middle. That's pretty close. The contour on this one's a little bit bigger. It's really hard to tell by the picture. There's some darkness behind there, but I don't really know what. That can be played with. You could grab that inside and put a little red outline to it, make the outline a little bit thicker, and do all kinds of things to it. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.